Friday, Wall Street Heat. It's very early. I've been up since 5:30. Sick dough and crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough and crypto, please like and subscribe. We've got a great one today, and I've got to show you something. We have breaking, and I say breaking news. Bitcoin IRA surpasses 100,000 users as Bitcoin crosses the 50,000 mark. Friday, March 5th, 2021, 7:15, 4-minute read. This was only 15 minutes ago or so as I was reading. Los Angeles, March 5th, 2021. Bitcoin IRA, the world's first largest and most secure digital asset IRA technology company that allows clients to purchase cryptocurrencies for their retirement accounts, announces that they have reached over 100,000 users on its platform as the price of Bitcoin recently reaches over 50,000. Ladies and gentlemen, this is excellent. This is wonderful news. People believe in this. People are in for the long term. Do you understand what this means? This means that the money is here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay. This is something new. I can't take enough of it. All right. I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning. Let's get into the charts. Let's get into what we are excited to hear about. A little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Cardano, as we are sitting here now jumping in some greens on my watch list, as you may see. Mana Decentraland, another one I want to talk about. I've been invested in Mana for a while, as everyone knows. Raven and Rant have been taking a lot of shots, but guess what? We have made wonderful progress during this fall, during everything. Mana has showed some very strong strength here. We're going to talk about it, but I want to get right into Bitcoin. As you see here, we are now on the up and up. If you zoom out, when in doubt, right, look at my trend lines. Up, up. But what is everyone else focusing on? Everyone's focusing on the continuous downfall, too, correct? Well, if you look at the chart, and you look at what I've showed on this loop that I promised you on this history, we're going sideways action in between this here. Don't you see that's happening? Sideways action. I expect a breakthrough soon. We are now at 47.7. We were hitting 46 this morning, as you see. So let's go a little more into detail. Let's see what Wall Street Pete's talking about here. Alrighty. We're now back in here on the trend lines, on the upward. If you see, we are breaking down slowly, right? We went through the resistance here that I had. Looked like we were going to hang out and maybe create a new one, and then it said, nope. I'm going to go take a little break here. I'm going to make everyone panic. I'm going to make you work for your money. All right, so just like anything else and anyone else, right? Nothing's free in life. You got to work for it. So what we're doing here is we're in a green candle, 19 minutes on the hour. We have no movement. As you can see, no movement on the 2 hourlies ago. Go into an hour here, a little growth. Now it looks like we may finish on the 19th with not much growth. Maybe we go red, maybe we don't. It's not really a big deal. What I wanted to share with everybody this morning is if you look here on this arrow, what is this? This is the last time we were in this pattern. I don't know if anyone sees this. Maybe I'll just save this really quick. I'll remove the drawings and I'll redo it. What I did was I took an arrow from there to there. And this was I want to say this is approximately when we started going up. I like it here better. If you notice from here to here, see this M? Let me get a better drawing. If you notice, there's some type of an M there, right? You can't really see it here, but if you zoom in more, I'm not going to do it. I want to get to the point. So look here, I'll take my arrow. And this was the M I was speaking of. If you notice when you brought all my stuff back, right? Here was where the loop went, and that's when our ascending started. So let's go to it. Okay, yeah, all my drawings are gone from there. Correct, I forgot about that. Okay, there we go. So Bitcoin, as I was telling you, ooh, a little lag or something there. That was weird. I want you to understand what's going on. So as I explained to everybody, look at this. We're getting some sideways action here. When I take my arrow on the history of Bitcoin, right? The history. How weird is it that that matches up that? I mean, I didn't do this on purpose. I just set this up and I say, hey, let me come on and let me measure this from here to here. I mean, it's just coincidental that all I did was take And if you look here, this M up here, you see the M where my cursor is? So I took all the drawings away. And I'll make it easier this way and do that, I guess. Where is it? Here. This M right here that we're forming currently is no coincidence that that M here is what we formed there. You understand me? So when we got this upward movement here, we followed it through to here. So actually, I'm wrong. So yes, it's from here. See this M right here, January 17th. This M right here is repeating until we got to there, which was February 8th. So we have some time. That's what I'm trying to explain to everybody. We're not really going anywhere high, I don't believe. History will repeat itself, and explain to you that somewhere, I wanted to say somewhere around here. I don't know how I did that, but it was closer to my birthday. Yeah, there it is. March 17th, we're talking about like the 18th as the breakout. So if you go to this one here and you take a peek of what I'm saying, this arrow will bring you to about, yeah, see, I didn't do it right. So I wanted to bring it back a little, as you saw in the last previous history. And we're about the 18th. So, I mean, don't get me wrong. Do I expect maybe a breakout here? That would be wonderful. We have to come down a little here. So we did come down, actually. I'm sorry. Look. So we broke down here, and now we're bouncing. Let's see what happens here. If we continue to break down, my number is here. My resistance is the 49. Let me get the true reading here. The real here. I knew it was 48. So right about 48,000. We have to hover on the 48, and we can't bounce off this. If we bounce off this in the next few hours, I promise you we are not breaking through. This is what I need to see. I need to be above that level, which is right here as our old little support. 49.4, between 49.4 and 48,000 roughly, okay? So if we start breaking through this orange line that I have set up through, and we stay above it, and we continue to follow this upward trend, we are looking very sexy. We are looking to be right. And then the final, of course, will be this top here. We will be, basically, it will be the new resistance line for us, and we will be deciding whether we're going to break out through here or not. Once we do that, that will happen very quickly, and you will get your understanding of what the hell's happening here. So everybody, my followers, please like and subscribe. Let's share this. Let's get 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it. March is going to be a wonderful month. It's going to shock a lot of people. ADA now. I want to talk about some ADA. A lot of movement here, a lot of things happening. This is what I expect to happen. I don't really expect to go lower than 95 cents. I'm sorry for all the people who have been saying 75 cents, 50 cent retracement. All that stuff's going to happen. I do not expect it. This is going to be our support area somewhere along the lines. Our old support, 96, 95 cents. I don't really see anything further than that. That's if that happens. Like I said, we got a bounce here, and the bounce could literally take us back here, a little further down, 101, then maybe another bounce up to 107, and ultimately taking us to the 96, 95. So expect that from Cardano within the next few hours here, 12-hour candle shift. Most likely that will happen. If not, pay attention to the resistance lines we're going to have building here. I'm going to make a couple. I'll come back with another video, give some people some better understanding. Look at my indicators down below, my RSI, and things of that nature. But we do look to seem pretty healthy. Like I said, 47,600. It is deceiving. You don't know if we are in this downward trend and we're just heart beating there. Are we heart beating up like this for a parabolic move? That's something I want to say we were waiting for around this time. Pay attention to those time frames, the 16th, 17th, St. Patty's Day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. You want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Please like and subscribe. Share the heck out of this. Let's get some more people on board. I want to make that money, Hannah. Have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe. Peace in and peace out.